I just saw it.
Yeah, so they told me that there wasn't any availability in that department. They only had space for hydrotherapy valet. Bear in mind, I never know anything about this. I've never been to a spa before. You know, back then I think about spa as just this, doing massages and all. So yeah, I ventured into the job and I was trained. I was professionally trained and I am a quick learner. I grasp very easily. So within 2 weeks, I was on my own doing hydrotherapy and all. And then my second month here, I was rewarded with the most mentions from guests with 30 stars. Yes, so I got mentioned on the social media platforms. And we're trained by experts from Mexico, as this is a Mexican-based hotel. So the experts from Mexico, they flew in and they trained us. And also these training are enforced every 6 months. So every 6 months you will find them coming in to train us to see how far we are at. And you know, if there's any new changes as to the, just an example, the water temperature at the pool, they will inform us on that so we can update the information that we tell the guests.
Alright. So that's how you learned about the valet part of it. So I'm assuming, so then you said after that you got a promotion last year.
As a product controller.
As a product controller. So tell me what that was like. How did they come to you and say you're gonna get a promotion and what the new job is? Tell me about that experience.
Well, they didn't came to me. Yeah. One day I was here and you know, I felt like it's time to step, it's time to move on. And I know that I didn't have any skill as to doing massages or hair or nails, and I know that this is what the spa is about. So I went to my manager and I shared my interest with her. I told her that I think it's time to elevate myself, so if she hear of anything in the department and so forth, she can let me know. And then maybe like 3 months after, she told me about the vacant position here, and I was trained. I accepted it because if it wasn't being a product controller, it must have been a receptionist at the front. Because as I made mention, I am not a therapist. I don't know nothing about hair and so forth. And I shared my interest with her, and then she told me that the position was vacant, and I was trained for like 2 months by the experts over Mexico again. And then I got additional training by my coworker that I work alongside in here. We also have manuals, and as I said before, these trainings are reinforced, but the product controlling training is reinforced every 4 months. So they make sure that we're up to par, because I really have to know the ingredient base in the products just in case a guest is having an issue. Understand, and the pH and so forth. It's really like a pharmacy.